Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Gladio Mori game controllers is not working. Guys, first solution is simply open up the Steam, then just click on the Gladio Mori, then just click on the gear icon and go to game properties, and on the left hand side just click on the controllers, and in the overall controller setting just choose the disable Steam input. Once you select it, now just launch the game, then check. Still controller is not working, then just choose the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check. Still controller is not working, then just choose the use default setting. So the first solution that you have to try is check connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected for wire controllers. Ensure the USB is properly plugged in. For wireless controllers, ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. And the second solution is update drivers. So just open up the device manager and look for the human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers. Right click and select update, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. For manufacturer software, use Xbox accessories there to update and configure setting. PlayStation, consider using PS4 Windows for DualShock 4 controllers. The third solution is configure controller setting in Steam. So just open up the Steam, go to the setting, go to the controllers, go to the general controller setting and enable the necessary configurations. And the fourth solution is use Steam Big Picture mode. And the fifth solution is check for conflicting software. Ensure that no other software like third-party game emulators conflicting with your controllers. And the sixth solution is change USB ports. Sometimes simply switching USB ports can resolve connection issues. Now try all of these solutions and hope one of these fix your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.